Alright, hello everybody. Today we are going to be playing Pillow Chase with some random meme sounds I found on my computer. I have random meme sounds for different buttons in the game that you use for different things. Hopefully none of the sounds are copyrighted, but that was loud. But we're going to play a bit of Pillow Chase. If you don't know what Pillow Chase is, basically it's a game where you basically run away from monsters all the time. I'm looking at here a toilet, a pineapple, and this random dude. Apparently that's someone's skin in Roblox. But yeah, we're gonna be playing Pillow Chase with meme sounds. So yeah. Okay, we're getting into our first match. Here we go. First match. I am not the monster. So we got our first monster as the screaming thing. I call it the screaming thing because it screams in your face. Oh, wow. Whoa, hello. Okay, anyways. Let's walk through the forest and light these things. By the way, these things give you objectives, which I find them very useful. That's why. Plus, they're an objective to use. So make it. Go! Not a fighting reference if you play that game. There's the first meme sound of the day. That's the boom. I choose that too. What just happened? I'm assuming that's what happened. Apparently that's what happened. Do any of you guys know what just happened? I'm confused. Well, that match was very short, so we're gonna start the next match. That was weird. I think the person just left. Who the fuck is this over here? Shivering in their boots, I see. You're shivering in your boots, I see. Well, this is Pillow Chase, alright, fella? You're gonna need to get used to it. This is what Pillow Chase is like. You ain't gonna, I know you're scared, but you gotta be a strong soldier if you're gonna survive out here. Anyways. Let's continue, shall we? It's not really well, I don't know if it's a series. I don't know if you would call it a series. I don't know what you would call it, but basically I'm gonna be playing Pillow Chase with or without meme sounds. So I'm gonna do one video where I am playing with meme sounds. By the way, if you guys, if you are in this video, in this Pillow Chase video, and you're watching it right now, this video, feel free to type in the comments, or say hi, like just type in the comments, whatever you want, just type in the comments, say something like, I was in your Pillow Chase, I was in this Pillow Chase video. So type in the comments down below if you are in this Pillow Chase video right now. Type in the comments, I was in this Pillow Chase, I was in your Pillow Chase video, and type down your username down there, so I can know who you are. Give you a shout out in the next video. That's all you basically have to do. Just tell me, I was in your Pillow, just say down in the comments, I was in your Pillow Chase video, my username was so and so, and I'll be like, alright. And I'll be like, alright, I'll shout you out in the next video. I'll be like, also shout out to so I'll be like, also shout out to so and so. Like I was saying, just feel free to say hi if you're in one of my Pillow Chase videos. I don't bite, I won't come after you. Like, I'm not gonna bite your arm off if you're in one of my Pillow Chase videos. Don't worry. I'm not gonna hunt you down. I always love meeting my fans. I always love seeing some fans. And I always want them to say hi. I like making content for you guys. I haven't been doing it for a long time. VR content. It's kind of hard if you don't have a headset anymore. Yeah, I don't have a headset anymore. I I don't want to go too into detail on how I don't have a headset. I just don't have one. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to go too into detail how I have it. The only thing I'm gonna say is it broke. Sometimes things just break. Sometimes things just all of a sudden just start breaking. But luckily, I found new recording software and new things to actually allow me to record. I get it. I ran in here, probably the worst mistake, probably the biggest mistake I could have ever made, but hey look. The mask that makes you a zombie. I heard like a growling sound. Like I was saying, just make sure, if you want to shout out in my videos, just say you were in this Village Chase video. Just, I ain't gonna bite your arm. Anyways, let's wait for my turn to be the monster. Let's wait for my turn to get the monster. I'm just spectating people now in Village Chase. I made the sacrifice for these people. Yeah, by the way, if you don't know what Village Chase is, I don't know if I explained this at the start of the video, but basically it's a game where there's one monster and there's a bunch of other survivors, and the monster's job is to kill every last survivor standing, while the survivor's job is to survive, obviously. Up here we got Mr. Gorefield with his lasagna. And outside we got your boy Sonic.exe. Chilling by the campfire, you know what I'm saying? He's right there, chilling by the campfire. With this weird other purple thing. I don't know what this purple thing is called. Please tell me what it's called. Down in the comments. So yeah. I don't know where it went, buddy. I don't even know what that is. I didn't even read half of what he said. All I saw was, where did something go? All I saw was where did go. I saw where did, and then my go. It says something. I don't know what he said. Alright, listen here, soldier. I made the sacrifice, alright? You should be thankful that you got to survive that round. But I made the sacrifice, so remember me in my favor. Anyway, let's get into the next match. I see you, you're fucking dead. Yay. They're all fucking dead. bad match with the Nihilarchus, but whatever. Anyway, let's get into our last match. I actually skipped over this character. I meant to use that character next, but whatever. Anyway, let's move on over to our next match. With not many players left, but that's alright. I'll probably end the video soon though. Anyway, so yeah. Well played. Talking to me? Talking to me? Sweet, we got the lizard again. The Godzilla-like looking thing. I don't know. I'm lucky that Mario is the first one. Because it's not me inside the head if it did. That's just bad to the bone. Everyone knows that meme sound. But literally I just went on VoiceBot, searched up some meme sounds, and found it. It's really fun playing Pillow Chase. I like playing Pillow Chase. It's a very fun game. Anyways, I shall see you all in the next video. See you later.